and the number is AP4867. Should have a couple more left. There it goes.
Still going.
And you can see that it gets kind of,
Yeah.
as the malonic acid and the iodate and even the peroxide concentrations get lower, the change is kind of a, yeah, I'm almost going to do it. Like right now, it should be, I think we're about at the end. Maybe clear up one more time. Yeah, that's nice. I like it when it does that.
There it goes.
Oh, cool.
And then right at the bottom, it's turning purple as.
Yeah.
It's trying to give up.
Awesome.
All right, thank you very much.